Hang on, is this thing on? Yep, I do believe it is. Let me go ahead and... everything seems to be in order. And we are live. Perfect. That we seem to be live. Should I inform here? Yeah, there we go. Now let's just go over to here. I see. Ah, yes, so it says first. Congratulations. You are indeed first. There we go. Let me just pull this out. Yes, you can indeed. There we go. Yeah, let me just see if how does one do this? Ah, yes, there we go. Perfect. Let's pop out this chat. There we go. Oh, this is just something new here. I'll just... Yeah, sure. Thirds. Thirds? I don't know. Let's get rid of this. Don't know what exactly we would do, but alright, let's go VirtualBox. See what we've got in here. There we go. We've got, How about we vote in the chat, what should we do on this stream? Let me just check what the stream's actually like. We've got 4 watching, that's great. Ah, hey Farron. Yeah, like I say, gonna call a bit of a vote. What exactly should we do on the stream, anyways? Oh wait, he's a moderator anyway. Okay. I said we got a big gaming deal. Why not? Gaming live stream could be fun. Sudo reboot. I'm busy, but listening to the stream. It's alright. The Farron OS developer Get Boot Camp and boot out Linux. This is a hacking tosh. It doesn't work that way. As for how much RAM I have in this computer, let me just go ahead and check for you. Hang on. Yeah, there you go. Ah, bugger. There's one. Hang on. Here we go. Yeah, 16 gigs of RAM. You have a slight echo or your voice is weirdish. Yes, I believe that's a bit of a problem with OBS here. I'm looking into sorting it, but I'm not sure what causes it. So what sudo I'm going to add you as a moderator. There we go. Yeah, as I said, it's a hacking tosh, doesn't really work that way. If I wanted to do that, I'd have to do it through Clover. Anyone knows, I had a HDD failure and I was able to move my OS backup, failed HDD from SSD, but my backup seemed to be corrupted. Not really sure what to do with that backup. I believe there may be a way to extract it and get some of the files out, but I'm not really knowledgeable on that. Possibly try running a utility like Distops or something like that. Oh, what's this? Make the audio louder. Yeah, can do. Let's have a look. Audio. Yeah, how would one make the audio louder? That's a good question. And apparently the stream is buffering. It shouldn't be. Here we go. Could be it. No, apparently not. Let's see. It's out to use my blue snowball, so it shouldn't be quiet. Yeah, it's on full volume. Buffering alert. No, it really shouldn't be buffering, like I said. Yeah, see it's green. Yes, it's some gaming going on, so. Let's see. How about we have a stream vote here, which game should we be playing on this list? Ah, that would be why the stream is buffering. It's downloading an update to Dota. And in fact, I actually have never played Dota, so I have no idea why it's there. Let me just pause it for the time being, for good reason, of course. Yeah, now the buffering should be resolved at this point. Lol, Steve has the old style window buttons. Yes, it does indeed, Karen. I'm not sure what that's to do with. Let's go with some good old Paul. I haven't played this in a while. I'm not going to be able to chat for a bit, but yeah, so just disable the full screen mode. Let's have a look. Where was the chat? There we go. Yeah, back in Geometry Dash. I don't even have Geometry Dash, I'm not sure why I'm saying that. There we go. So you got some good old Portal 2 going on here. Us just waiting. Let me just expose there. Hey Linux sound. I thought you used Linux. Yes, I did used to, but on account of the fact that I run Final Cut Pro and that sort of thing, it was just more practical to use Mac. But yes, indeed, I do in fact use Linux on many of my PCs. It's just this desktop one that I use Mac on, which also happens to be the one that's probably the best equipped for streaming. And that's running a window. And for some reason my mouse isn't showing up. Weird. There we go. Let's just turn down the resolution of the game a little bit. Let's go to... just go 800 by... Yeah, let's just go 800 by 600 so I can very much still see the chat. Well, that's the game then. Size Steam controllers upstairs. Yeah, I actually have a Steam controller as well. It's quite good. The damn thing gets a lot of hate, and I can see why. It's not very accurate, but yeah, it's a nice controller. It's quite nice you can play roller games with it as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and just start this damn thing up. I have no idea where I was at in terms of the game, but we're going to hit continue game anyway. I'm also going to make sure it's running at the highest settings as well, so to be quite honest with you, I'm not entirely sure. Oh yeah, I see a bad wall. Yeah. Not really sure. You're going to have to keep the chat running because, my god, I am awful at Let's Plays and keeping up with commentary on Let's Play. Ah, yes, that's where we were. You would see. Tell you what, I'm going to see if I can get the Portal 2 in a slightly bigger window. Wait a second. Window capture. Portal 2. There you go. Portal 2 OpenGL. Let's make it a bit bigger. And just move the get another window capture and put the stream on there. Or not the stream, the chat on there, rather. Where is it? Don't know where it is. Here we go, Safari, that's the one. Not really the prettiest of setups, I know, but it will have to do until I can get something better. There we go, yeah. Alright, so let's make my screen a bit better for streaming. Here we go. Linux Lounge, I cannot hear you clearly. I'm not really sure what that's about. Tell you what. Let's open up the audio settings and see if there's anything clearly wrong here. Ah, that could be it. It's trying to stream it in stereo when my Blue Snowballs only. Could be it, but I don't know. What's this? What's my Steam ID? Let me pull it up for you now. Here you go. If anyone's interested in playing with me on Steam, there's my Steam ID. Yeah, the audio is probably only going to be fixed in next stream, and I'm not really sure if it will actually resolve anything, but best I can do, really. What's the stream, overall stream quality looking like on your end, anyway? I'd be interested to see if I've configured everything correctly besides the audio. Ah, bugger, I really buggered that one up. Yeah, Portal 2, yes it is. Can't really see your ID for sure. Mind putting up in the chat. Oh yeah, of course. If you really want, yeah, it's just... there you go, punch it in. Ah yes, you wouldn't be able to see my ID because I forgot I had that bloody window over the top of it. Which would explain a lot as to why you can't see my Steam ID. There you go, you should be able to see it clearly now. Nearly forgot I had that window over the top of it. Yeah, let's just bring that back in. You've had enough time to see it. It should do the job. Back to portaling around it. And my mouse has gone weird, yeah. There you go. I hope you could see... Ah, yes. TerranOS has added me to his friends list. So, yes, you could, in fact, see the stream key. Not stream key, I wouldn't want to give you that. The Steam ID properly. And we've already been there, so... Apparently I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, let's go there. Let's go around this way. Yeah, I used to be really good at this game and know exactly how to solve all the puzzles. It's been a while now, so I'm not quite sure. Believe you have to put that there. Yeah, trust me, to start on one of the harder levels, of course. Believe you're supposed to put portal there. Supposed to go through here, like so. Ah, nearly sorted it. Putting it down here. Let's go here, and no, bugger, I messed that one up. Let's have a go. Oop. Yep, got it. Here we go. By the way, if anyone has any Linux distributions they'd like me to take a look at, I'd be more than happy to. Right now on stream. Let's just see how the stream's doing anyway. Here we go. Bad video. Use the keyframe frequency 4 settings. Buffering, eh? I'll have a look at this in the future. For now, though, this will have to do. I do not use Steam. I use the Lounge Gaming. Runs very good at 60 FPS with Super Tux Kart. Ah, yes, good old Super Tux Kart. It's quite a good Mario Kart clone, actually. One of the better open source games, and that's not to say open source games are bad. I'm just saying this is a really Super Tux Kart is a really good open source game. But yeah, I can see why you don't use Steam. It does have its problems. And again, the sales are pretty good. How the hell do I sort this one out? Would make sense if there's portals along the roof, but there isn't. Ah, yes, put that there. There we go. Fire that there. But that just... Oh, I see. You're supposed to put that there, that there. Fire, put that. And move along there. As previously mentioned, if there's any Linux distributions anyone wants me to take a look at live, I can go ahead and do that. So I suppose I'm supposed to put that there. Move through here, like so. Ah, I think I figured this one out finally. Let's go through here. No, apparently not. And just up there? Yeah, I can. Perfect. Sort of gonna... Right, what I'm guessing is I'm supposed to put that there, move back round, go through there, fire that there, and perfect. Nailed it. Let's once again see how the chat's doing because reasons. Oh, bloody hell, the chat has quite the delay. No, it doesn't. Wait. Yeah, the chat has a bit of a or the stream rather has a bit of a delay going on. It's quite annoying. Simply extreme options, no way. I see there's a few settings I could well configure here to hopefully sort out all this buffering and that. Monetization cards, all that, well, that's not really important. Here we go. Yeah, I'll sort out the buffering and that in the future, hopefully. Yeah, I can see several things have gone wrong on here. Let's see about the actual OBS settings. That should not been brought up. Then talk about the virtual box window, of course. Yeah, I can see several problems here. Tell you what, another stream vote of sorts. Here we go. Yeah, does anyone want to hear the game's audio but put on quite low, or do they just want to hear me humming on about how to solve these damn puzzles? I assume you're supposed to put that there, which would make sense. Through this way, presumably. And you're supposed to put there. Oh. The Ferran OS developer, be right back. Alright. See you in a minute then, Ferran. Yeah, I cannot for the life of me figure out. Would you put portal there? Portal there? Ah, yes, that's exactly how you're supposed to do it. And again, surely that would just fling you off right over there. Let's give it a go, and if we die, we die. Well, I was about to give it a go before I made a stupid mistake like that. And just died. Yeah, hang on, I just got to sort them out quickly. Just now. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's see if we can figure out how to do this without dying, preferably. And that nearly resulted in death as well. Up there, down there, and see, it seems to be working. Put a portal there, go through there, and already it would seem I was wrong about that flinging you off into space. It's pretty good. Agree, there you go. Just setting something up on the side if you wanted to know what I'm talking about, agreeing and all that jazz. So I assume you're supposed to put a portal there. Now where do I go though? Oh, down here. Because there's a button down there, I see. Through this way. Put that on there. Oh wait, I see. So I'm supposed to put some gel on there, which will go onto there. I'm getting to see the idea here. I'm actually supposed to go through there, right there. Portal there. Over there. Go through that, like so. And presumably put that there. Just get... Yep, indeed, it seems I have the right idea. Go through here. Wait, maybe not. I have right there. Just go directly over there, because that's where we basically need to be. Portal. Go through there. And apparently that's not the way we're supposed to go. We're actually meant to go there, which would make sense. Yeah, so what I'm supposed to do is supposed to put gel on the ramp. That's one there. Yeah, not heard anything back about how, or if anyone would want to hear the game sound, so I'm just going to turn it on anyway and see if anyone complains. It's probably the best way to figure this one out. Audio output capture, yes, there we go, device, no, apparently not. Let's try that again, move that, yep, audio, game capture, image, media source site, no, it's very much not. Well, it would seem even if I wanted to have the game sound, I couldn't do it anyway. It was a bit rubbish. Oh well. Get back to the game. So presumably, maybe I'm supposed to go down there, move back, and fling myself across here, and immediately, oh, well I thought I messed up there, but apparently not. Did quite well with that one. Yeah. Once again, let's just see how the stream's doing quickly. Yeah, we got 4 viewers. That's pretty good. Yeah, I can't see anything. Quite annoying. It's just loading, quite annoying. And here we go, we're back on. So I'll do a few things quickly before I start with this. And here we go, back on there. So I take it it was probably supposed to head up there. Through here, I would imagine. Sort of there, I would guess. Probably not that way. Ah, yes, I see which way we're supposed to go. So I would imagine we're supposed to go back out there, where there's a portal space, then go back up there. No, because it's one of those. It's quite annoying. Oh, what's this? Oh, bloody hell. It would seem, with any luck, I haven't accidentally doxed myself. Could be quite annoying. Yeah, I think I might be alright. Let's check something. Just checking something briefly. Right, I think we're alright. Because my bloody phone number came up on screen briefly then. Thankfully I had a window covering it, but that was quite annoying. Could have been catastrophic indeed. What's this? Hang on, I think somebody's come back. Yes. Linux Lounge, you're going to accept my friend request. Yes, I am. In fact, I'm doing it right now as we speak. Sorry, I was busy streaming and all that lot. There you go, Farron. I've accepted yours. I don't have any multiplayer games on that. Let's see. Hey Farron, if you find any games we both have on Steam, I'd be interested in having you on the stream to do some multiplayer gaming. Could be fun, possibly. There we go. So I'm gonna guess it's probably not a portal up there and a portal. Ah, wait. How the hell did I miss that portal space right there? But yeah, fair enough. I've just accepted your friend request just then. You obviously didn't see it, but yeah, you can go to Steam right now and go ahead and check it. Because I've probably done something wrong, so it would be best if you did check it. Ah, yes, there we go. Farron OS, hi. Hello. I'm not sure what kind of response I could give there, but okay. Oh, bloody hell. I don't remember much of this bit, but all I do remember is I was rubbish at it. Wanna watch my playing... What? Wanna watch my playing Cats Are Liquid? What? I'm not sure what you're on about, Farron. So presumably I'm supposed to turn these on, I mean obviously. Kind of it's a gel pumping station, so the whole idea is to get it pumping gel. Oh, the game I'm playing. I wanna watch one. How on earth would I watch a game you're playing? How would I watch a game you're playing? Yeah, I'm not really sure how one would do that, but okay. I trust you, Farron. I suppose in a bizarre sense, welcome to this stream, Farron. In text, you are on our stream. Quite. Next to my name is a menu. Next to my name is a menu in this window. Like that or something. All right, go on then, Farron. Probably best we close out Portal 2 before we did this, of course. And got rid of the ridiculous window over the top of it, so we can actually see what Farron is playing. Let's go ahead and quit this. See ya in chat. Okay, yeah, I'll see you in chat indeed. Alright, let's see if everything's configured as it should be. Yeah, just get rid of the window capture. We may as well actually just get rid of both window captures. Should be alright. There we go. Right, so where is it then? Baron, you're gonna have to give me a hand with this one. I am. Ah, yes, watch game. There we go. Let's have a look. If this. Oh. Steam Broadcasting is not currently supported on Ferron OS's system. Ferron, you might want to have a look at that one. Your stream doesn't. Waiting for the request notification. Apparently, it's not supported on your system. Yeah, there we go. Joining in. What the hell are cats are liquid anyway? There, go on. Let's have a look at the game while Farron's waiting for a solution. Let's have a look. Oh, it was like quite a good game, you know. Yeah, I may just pick that up at some point. Maybe play it on stream or something. Be right back. Gonna launch up GD. Never really heard of GD, so that's something. Yeah, probably grab that at some point. While we're doing that, though, let us fire up a bit of Linux, because there is a program. Cancel that. There's a. Oh, bugger, my microphone nearly just fell off my desk. There is a program that I believe Sudo Reboot had a look at on one of his streams, and I think we should take a little look at it. It's like I say, loading on my Ubuntu virtual machine. I give you fair warning, Ubuntu virtual machines and basically any Linux virtual machine seem to be rather slow. Not sure what it's down to since I've allocated the correct system resources. Punch something in. Yeah, it's just taking a bit to load up. While we do that, let's just bring up the chat. Where is it? Where did I put that damn thing? Ah, here we go. Yes, indeed, here we are. Got the chat up here. We got our Ubuntu Linux. Very nice, very nice. Let's drag it around so it takes up a bit more of the screen. Not good. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we're back up. Let's just move that. There you go, that should do the trick. And I believe this utility was called Linux Live USB or something. Yeah, let's have a look at it. Gonna launch GD on my Windows 7 so you can watch that. Yeah, I'd be interested in bringing that up on the stream. Probably gonna have it alongside this Linux program testing, but I believe it's called Linux Live USB, right, as I understand it. Linux Live USB Creator. I don't quite remember what it was, but yeah. Linux Live USB Creator, powerful yet easy to use utility. I don't think that. No, I don't believe that was the one. That's quite an old utility, actually, as I understand it. Live USB installed, could that be it? No. Let's keep on looking. UNet boot, and that's quite old. Is this the one? No. Hang on, I had a note of it somewhere. Kind of, what? Ah, yes, Linux Live USB. It was definitely called that. What's we got on here? Yeah, no idea where it is. Could it be the Live USB creator and I've just messed that one up? But let's download it anyway because we can. Is that it? No, because it's for Windows only. Tell you what, let's search this up. Linux Live USB. No, probably that one up. Put any bad mistake. Live USB Creator. And it's for Ubuntu. There we go. Let's see if we can find it. No, I still can't seem to find it. It's not it. Well, this isn't going so well. Let's keep looking. Could this be it? Probably not, but it could be. No, once again, it's like the old program. Actually, funnily enough, that's the utility I used to write my first ever Linux Live USB, I believe. Yes, I think it is. Yeah, if anyone knows what the utility that English Bob was looking at, not English Bob, Sudo Reboot was looking at the other day, let me know. Because I cannot for the life of me remember what it was called. Yeah, this could be it. Here we go. I think. Well, either way, it's worth a look at, even if it is an old program. Download Ubuntu. Is that it? Nope. 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 It's not it, indeed. Yeah, can't. Ah, here we go. Yeah, sudo reboot. Thank you. You've come to our rescue. Let's see if we can get it up. So it's called live.learnfree.eu/en/. Yeah, thanks sudo. Just thought we'd have a look at some, good old Linux. Yes, that's the one indeed. Some good old Linux applications. Let's go ahead and download it. Oh wait, we were on the right page, so we'll go ahead and click download. Sorry, not going to be able to donate at this point. And I kind of messed that one up. Oh wait, no, I'm too used to the elementary and that sort of thing, but let's just go ahead and download this. At the moment, not going to have the chance to, try this out on a real USB, but that is at the moment. Perhaps on a future stream I will. Maybe set up a webcam and an old PC or something and install it. Here we go. Currently supports 139 distributions. Bloody hell, that's impressive. I'm sure some of those distributions are no longer getting updates, but that is impressive. You know, you got your Remix oh wait, no, that's Ubuntu Rescue Remix, not Remix OS. You know, you got Party Magic, your Peppermint, your Pinguy, your Puppy. Any Linux distribution you could want and more is here. Tell you what, I hate to be a jerk, but sudo's live stream did not do justice to how cool this program really looks. In fact, I don't think mine does. Because this is a nifty looking program. Give it a go. Let's see if we can find it. I believe it's called Linux. No, it might be called Live USB, possibly. Yeah, there you go, Live USB install. Let's open it up. Enter the password. I can't remember what I set it to, but it could be this. Is it? Well, it's looking that I put that in right, but I don't know. Is that working? No, apparently not. Must have got the password wrong. Now let's see if see, it's a virtual machine. I use a different password for virtual machines than I do on real hardware. It's a little bit confusing. Yeah, no, I put in the right password the first time. It just doesn't seem to want to launch. Let's see, live USB. Any ideas why it's not launching? Yeah, seems to be a bit weird. Well, let me try that again. Bug it up there. Could it be live here? No, it doesn't seem to want to launch. That's what that's all about. Let's call live USB install. See if we can get some debug. USB/install. Punch in a password. See what the problem is. Oh, well, launching it from the terminal seemed to work fine. So in the event you download this program, launch it from the terminal, it would seem. But let us go ahead and if the stream buffers, it's because I'm downloading something somewhere else, but at the moment it seems to be going just fine. So we can install it from a CD drive, so that's quite good. If you've got some old Linux CDs lying around, you could probably write them to the USB. You can select an ISO image, so presumably you can use any, or you can go online and it'll download it for you. Pretty good. So distributions we've got here. We've got, let's go up to the top and go down in alphabetical order. We've got good old 4M Linux, never heard of it. I feel a lot of these are going to be, I've never heard of them there. And my god, that download is really slowing down the stream. Wait, we're back up again, it would seem. You've got your Android x86, which is pretty good. You've got your Antics, never heard a lot of these. AVG Rescue CD, so if you're into your Rescue CDs, this is pretty good. Your Backbox, I just realised I can't see the chat, here we go. Backtrack Linux, it's pretty good as anything. Steam's updating. Yeah, Steam does seem to update quite a lot. Then again, I suppose it's this kind of thing that does need updating frequently. Yeah, don't worry, Farron. Steam updating usually doesn't take too long. You got your Bowtie Linux. I don't know if I pronounced that right. CentOS. Clonezilla. Damn small Linux. Damn small it is indeed. Got your Debian if you're into that. Your Debian Live. Your Dodo Linux, which I believe is for I believe it's for children or something. I believe. I could be wrong though. A lot of these I've actually never heard of. I assume this is a Rescue CD, but I'm not sure. Got your good old Elementary, your Fedora. Yeah, I never really was a fan of Fedora, but if you like it, you can put it on here. FreeDOS, which isn't even Linux, which actually I was very impressed by FreeDOS. It is indeed rather close to the old MS-DOS. Your FreeNAS, which is pretty good. Your another Rescue CD, some good old Gen 2, which, as I understand, it's quite difficult to install, even more so than Arch. Your Gpart Live CD, which is always good to have. Good old Hirons, yeah, that's a good Rescue CD. You've got Jolly Cloud, Kali Linux if you're into your hacking. Another Rescue CD, Kaspersky. You got your Kubuntu, a few Ubuntu derivatives, Linux Deepin. So you got good old Deepin, Linux Mint. To be honest, I shouldn't really be surprised that these are here because this utility has everything. Good old Linux Mint, Ubuntu, MacBook, which believe it or not I've never actually installed. I would go to download it now, but I'm already hammering the internet as is. If I did it anymore, I would probably bring down the stream since I'm already downloading some on another device. Migo, you've got your Moon OS, your Ubuntu, if you're into your, I can't remember what the software is called now, but it's some kind of media center type thing. Parted Magic, rather. Yeah, this is basically getting a bit boring. At this point, you got your Peppermint, your Pinguy, your Puppy, your Pure, your Rain, Remix OS, which once again, no, it actually is technically Linux. Sabian, it's all here, it really is all here. Quite good, and the stream's buffering again, and I'm sorry if you get buffering. Ubuntu Rescue Remix, eh? Oh, bloody hell, Ubuntu Netbook Remix. It's been a while since that's been updated. It has been a while. It's quite good though, as I understand it. It was the first version of Ubuntu to bring the Unity desktop. And indeed, the Netbook Remix was quite good. Lol, a Ferren OS developer. Lol, forget YouTube buffering. How about Firefox not responding? No, I haven't really had... Firefox is quite stable, but of all browsers... No, actually, I take that back. I've had Chrome crash hell of a lot more times than Firefox. Then again, web browsers just tend to be quite stable. Ah yes, Ubuntu Netbook Remix, the birth of Unity indeed, Ferren. I'm not really saying that Firefox is inherently unstable, I'm just saying it seems to crash the most. Let's see, with your, hang on, Zorin OS, I believe that's the newest version, we may as well go check it out, using our good old Firefox over here. Let's go to Zorin OS. I don't think Zorin OS 12 has come out yet, then again I could be wrong. Maybe it has. I don't know. I haven't had a look at Zorin in a while. I assume nothing's changed. I've seen the Zorin OS up. No, they have come out with Zorin OS 12. Oh yes, they did indeed come out with it because they revamped it, and I had a look at it, and it was quite good. Yeah, with this utility, although it's great, you're not really getting, well, sometimes not getting the newest versions. I assume we'll update that though pretty quick. You know, quite a few options down here. You've got your light, your core. If you don't want your codecs, you can have that, which is very good. Let's see. Let's find Ubuntu and see if we've got the newest version of that. Yes, I believe they do have the newest version of Ubuntu. I don't think they have the newest, 5-month release, or is it 9 months? I can't remember. But they don't have the newest bleeding edge Ubuntu release. They only have 16.04, but that's close enough to the newest release for me. And I can imagine this utility here being used mostly by new users, possibly. So whether or not you want them on the bleeding edge is another thing. I don't know. Let's see if we've got the newest version of Linux Mint. I believe they came out with Linux Mint 18, unless I'm mistaken. So, good program, but they do need to kind of get all their distributions updated. Then again, they have so many, it would be an impossible task. KDE, your flux bottle, all that lot. Yeah, Linux Mint 18 is the very newest, and they've only got 270. Then again, it's still in support, so I don't know, it's not really out of date. See if they've got anything that is really out of date, in terms of it being an old distro, not being an old version of the currently supported distro. Have we got Pear OS? That was a fun distro. Tell you, wasn't the best though. Good idea, they executed it quite well, but there's a lot of really annoying things that Pear did. Tell you what, let's see if we've got the newest version. Oh my, that is an old version of Elementary. Let's see. Elementary OS. That's loading, I'm just going to see how the stream's doing once again. Bloody hell, have we really been streaming for 42 minutes? That's pretty good. Poor Pear, yeah, poor Pear indeed. Apparently they got a copyright takedown from Apple, but I'm not really sure I believe that. Yeah, we're on Loki at the moment. I think the last version was, no, I can't remember what the last version was called. Was it Freya, the last version? It might have been. So we're on 0.4 at the moment. Freya might have been 0.3, but I'm not really sure. Tell you what, one of these streams I'm going to download Pear OS and have a good old look at the old version of it. Let's see. No, it doesn't really say anything about the version number here, but this could be it. Here we go. The Wikipedia page. So the newest version, like I said, is 0.41. And the newest version they have... No, the last version was called Freya, so this is based off of Ubuntu 14.04 if I understand it. So yeah, it's a little on the out-of-date side, but you should be fine overall. Yes, thank you Farron for pointing that out to me. I'm not really a massive Elementary user, hence why I didn't really know. Though I must admit, I've been getting more and more into it, and they do have the right idea. For new users, that is. Supreme Super Gamer Linux. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on here that sounds really interesting. Could be quite a good source for future videos or even live streams. Which, by the way, if any of you want to see some more live streams, just let me know and I'll make it happen. There's some pretty good stuff here. I like the looks of this program. In fact, you know what? Bugger it. Let's download Pear OS right now. Or at least start. As I understand it, the only place you can get it from nowadays is quite slow downloading really. Let's open this up. And that doesn't seem to be working because it's already open. Let's go Pear OS download. What's this? Steam still updating. That's weird, it usually doesn't take that long. Usually for me it's done. I think the longest time I've ever had it done was about 5 minutes. And that was a refresh install. Let's grab ourselves a copy of Pear OS thing. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's going to take a while to download. Mostly because we're already thrashing the internet with another download and live streaming. Wait, Windows XP, I haven't booted that virtual machine up in a while. Let's have a look at that. Why not? Or it's possible that the download mirror for Pear OS just happens to be slow. Ah, yes, Ferron OS. Finally. Good to hear you seems finally finished updating. No idea why we're loading off XP. Probably just because we can. Incidentally, if any of you were wondering, yes, the XP Bootcamp series is continuing. I'm just trying to find something that would make a really good video. If anyone has any requests for videos, incidentally, just chuck them over it and I will see what I can do. What do I even have on this XP virtual machine anyway? Not a lot by the look of it. And it's just crashed on me. That's just great. Not good. Oh wait, we're up. What do we got? We have an old version of GNU image manipulation program. In fact, how old is this? Premium chart fire. Stay downgraded. I don't need it. There we go. Yeah, GIMP 2.8. I can't remember what we're on at the moment. At any rate, this version was quite old as I understand it. What's with the border around the splash screen anyway? It's quite weird. Okay, while that's loading, we should probably do some good old XP gaming like this. Truly the greatest game of all time. Really pushes the hardware to the edge. No PC can run it that way. Yeah, of course. Really pushes everything to the edge. Truly demanding. You know what, all jokes aside, this is probably the best I've ever done at flipping Minesweeper. Ferron OS, boo. Boo what? Starting Steam. Ah, great. Ah yes, I can see you have indeed started Steam. I'm just playing Minesweeper, trying not to get blown up. Oh. It started finally. Ah, great. We'll get your game up in a minute. Just say the word and I'll stick it up for you. On screen, should you want to. Let's go 3 to me. Oh. Oh. Well. Looks quite a lot like the modern GIMP. Nothing really missing here. Oh. I expected it to be slightly different, but apparently not. The one thing I do actually hate about GIMP, speaking of which, is the fact that the windows are separate. Now I know it's probably for customization reasons, but to be quite honest, I wish they kind of just bulked it into one. You know, like have all these windows in this main thing as one. Ah yes, Ferron OS, starting GD. Perfect. Yeah, I do wish I had it all bulked together, but what can you do? Back to Minesweeper. That's why. Ah, oh well, what can you do? Yeah, it's with Windows XP Virtual Machine. Tell you what, bugger it, let's install some themes and stuff because reasons. See how the stream's doing anyway. Where is it? We are at, Zebry Boss, Jump Over Peaked. Ah yes, Zebry Boss is streaming now, so if anyone, oh wait, no, it's, well, seems I made a bit of a stupid mistake there. We've got 3 people watching. Indeed, I was looking at English Bob's live stream as opposed to my own. Just punching some Windows XP themes because reasons. Let's just go ahead and do that. Windows XP themes. Let's see how much malware we got doing this. Probably need to patch the system anyway. Oh, what's this? I'm ready for you to watch me. Fair enough. Alright, sure, let's go ahead and just shut this virtual machine off. We don't need to turn it off properly, it's fine. Let's close all this out. Close that. Do not close OBS, of course. And where is it? Could be under friends, possibly. Yeah, oh, he's playing Geometry Dash. Great. Watch. Sorry, Farron. Seems we're getting the exact same problem. Not sure what that's all about. Honestly, I never even knew you could watch other people's games on Steam. Well, bad news, Farron. We can't seem to do it. And I obviously can't join the game because, well, I don't have Geometry Dash. Oh. Oh, yes, of course. Wait, there's Linux Network. Oh. Oh. There's a Linux network on Steam. Never knew that. Hang on. I'll join that. Never knew that, indeed. Yeah, punching that comment here. That did not work because that's actually the back button. Let's see how thing is doing. Pear OS. And we've got 13 minutes left on the download for Pear OS. We can have a look at that classical distribution. Yeah. In the meantime, let's just minimise some of the windows we don't need. What else can we do? Oh, has anyone here seen OpenEMU? Quite a good program. Sort of Mac emulator thing. Pretty good. Loads of games there. Probably never going to touch any of them, but okay. Yeah, it's quite a good program. Grabbed a whole pack of abandonware Atari games. Yeah, bugger, let's go for a good old game of Centipede. Why not? While the thing downloads. Yeah, let's go for some Centipede. This game is brilliant, I swear. It's great. Yeah. The other thing I would say about OpenEMU is it's not particularly configurable, and you need the newest version of Mac to run it 9 times out of 10, which I find to be quite annoying. Because if you're running anything older, like Mavericks for example, you are not running OpenEMU. Yeah, at the moment playing this with my keyboard. Yeah, nothing seems to be happening in the chat particularly. Hopefully Farron can get that issue with the Steam watching your games thing sorted. I need to just go ahead and check something. Ah yes. Hang on, just let me go get something, because in about 2 minutes time I'm going to have something interesting to show you. Just kind of stand by, I'm going to get something. Filming the phone. Not his phone number, but some, on the iPhone. You understand what I mean? Alright. And I'm back, and I've got something. What can I unplug? Let's unplug this. Yeah, I got something interesting to show you. Got a webcam, so I can actually show it to you. Let's just add it in. Not sure if this will actually work, but with any luck it will. Video capture device, would it be? Let's see. Oh yeah, it seems to work. Sorry, I'm just gonna fill this, or make it fill as much of the screen as it physically can. Got some interesting to show you, so I'm sorry this is the best way I can capture it.
the iOS 11 beta. It's going to take about 4 minutes to download, but when it does, I'm going to show it to you. Just about downloading, because you know we've got webcam. Kind of already see that on the screen, I presume. Of course, make really trippy effects. And there you go. For the meantime, though, I'm going to move that down until such a time iOS 11 has finished downloading. And see, we've got 2 people watching, so that's kind of gone now. At any rate, I say I'm going to wait till iOS 11's finished downloading, show you. It's going to take about 4 minutes to download. Well, we've got PearOS downloading down here, iOS 11 Developer Beta downloading. Well, I'd say for now, I am probably going to just go ahead. And for the meantime, probably sign off for now. Keep your eyes open for a future live stream, because I will most certainly be doing them. And we've actually been streaming near enough to about an hour now. Like I said, we're making a future live stream at some point. So, you know, like I say, subscribe and that, so you'll be notified of future streams. And thank you for watching my live stream. The first proper one, technically speaking. Thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to, can you like a live stream? I'm not really sure. But, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that lot. Check out my other videos if you like this live stream. And thank you for watching my stream. Like I say, I can't get over how long I have been streaming for. Possibly I'll stream again tomorrow. Like I say, I'm not sure.